We finally finished our patio. We've got our tamp-in, our polymeric sand, which is our joint sand, holds all of our pavers together in. We've compacted, and we've laid our first and second layer of water application to that. And one thing I want to point out here, while we've got it visible, you can see the texture on the patio. It's very important when you're working with a textured paver to work with a rubber mat installed on the compactor. This mat is critical. It helps to protect the textured surface from any marring that would occur as a result of the compactor and its metal surface that is typically there. And it's also another piece that a lot of paver manufacturers are actually requiring now in order to fill their warranty. A lot of these plate compactors are pretty heavy, and they do quite a bit of damage to these textured surfaces. So we want to make sure we've got this rubber mat installed before we go through and compact. All right, well, we're here just kind of installing plant material now, and I want to talk a little bit about how to select some of that plant material. This plant in particular is a nice little blue oakgrass, and it deals very well with our heavy clay soil on site. It's really what we tried to select is plants that are going to be adapted to the soils that are on site. So whether you have a deep black loam or like we have on site here, heavy clay soil, you're going to want to check those tags and make sure you're buying your plants that are suited to those soils. Otherwise, you're going to run into a lot of issues down the line of plants just not performing, dying off.
So we're here on our last day on this landscaping project, and Chris, I have to say, it's been awesome to have Highway 55 Rental out here with us. Renting us machines like this Bobcat has made the whole process a lot easier on our backs and go a lot faster.
Well, we're happy to hear that, and you know, the truth is, Mitch, back in '79 when we started and up until today, we've really built the company in a lot of ways on landscaping companies like you guys, where we got a kid that comes in at 18 years old, he's renting a lawnmower. 10 years later, he's renting a Bobcat, building his landscaping business, and maybe 5-6 years after that, well, he's buying that Bobcat from us. So I have to say that a partnership with landscapers like you guys has been the foundation of 55 Rental in many, many ways, and we do appreciate you guys keeping us in business, and hopefully we'll help keep you in business as well.
Perfect. Thanks so much for having us out here.
Thank you for coming through. Look at this. It's gorgeous.